This 4th of July, I'm going to show you how to make the best burger ever, and these are not all beef burgers. These are salmon burgers by MOWI Salmon. These fjord burgers are crispy, savory, and absolutely delicious when combined with the perfect slaw. They're available in these 4-packs in the refrigerated aisle at select Sam's Club, and the best part is that you don't even need a grill. They're best when air fried, giving you a perfect crispness on the exterior and a savory mouth-watering experience with every bite. So let's start by opening up this pack, and you'll notice that there are 4 of them in this skin pack that allows it to remain fresh for a very long time. And the first thing you'll notice is that it's crusted with panko breadcrumbs, and that allows it to be extra crispy with every bite. So we're not going to place this on the grill, we're actually going to place this in an air fryer. The air fryer allows it to move and circulate that hot air and make sure that all the juices and the flavors are encapsulated, but still giving it a super crispiness on the outside. So place this inside the air fryer. We're going to air fry this for about 7 to 10 minutes on high, and then flip it over for about 3 to 4 minutes more until it's perfectly crispy. And now let's make our slaw for this burger. And I love to make this slaw every time I serve salmon, but on a burger, it's extra special. So the first thing you need is this right here. It's a mandolin. If you don't have a mandolin, please invest in one. It's totally worth it. They're not that expensive, but best of all, they give you these nice thin strips of any vegetable that you want to kind of mandolin, as they say. So we're gonna go ahead and mandolin some cabbage first. Any kind of cabbage will work just fine. In this case, I'm using a regular white cabbage for this. And this mandolin will allow us to get some nice thin shards of cabbage. And now let's make our dressing. And for this, we're gonna be using a little bit of mayo, sour cream, rice wine vinegar, and I like to sweeten up my slaw a little bit. And sugar usually causes a little bit of crystallization, and you don't want that sandy texture in your mouth. So what I use is agave. It allows it to kind of incorporate and saturate inside of that slaw mixture much easier. And we want some complementary flavors inside of this. Some herbs would be great, particularly dried dill. Go ahead and mix that up. You want to make sure that the slaw is extra saucy. That's important because you want to add extra flavor to that burger so it balances out with that savoriness of that salmon and of course the brioche buns that we're going to be using. And our burgers are ready. Let's check this out. Look at how beautiful, crispy these look. They're moist on the inside, crispy on the outside, exactly what you want with a salmon burger. Let's add a little extra sauce on that. Place the fjord burger on top. That creamy slaw goes right on top of that. Top it with a bun and a toothpick. Bite into this mouth-watering experience and you'll know that MOWI's Fjord Burgers will be your favorite way to enjoy salmon burgers this 4th of July.